These are 23 multiple choice questions regarding the state law section of your affiliate and broker exam. Now, these state law questions will only apply if you are taking the Tennessee Real Estate Licensing Exam, as each state has their own set of real estate laws. Again, I'll be narrating these questions for the viewers who are only listening to audio. All of the following are characteristics of the Real Estate Education and Recovery Account, except A. The liability of the account shall not exceed $15,000 per transaction. B. The liability of the account shall not exceed $30,000 on behalf of an individual licensee. C. A licensee acting as an agent in a real estate transaction shall have no claim against the account. Or D. The Commission shall maintain a minimum balance of $750,000 in the recovery account. D. The Commission shall maintain a minimum balance of $750,000 in the recovery account. Affiliate brokers have a continuing education requirement of A. 30 hours each year, B. 16 hours every 2 years, C. 120 hours within 3 years, or D. 8 hours every year. B. 16 hours every 2 years. When a licensee terminates affiliation with its other principal broker, all of the following apply, except A. Must secure a release from the principal broker. B. Pay $25 fee. C. Administrative procedures must be completed within 10 days of the termination date. Or D. A licensee's listings with the former broker can always be transferred to the new broker. D. A licensee's listings with the former broker can always be transferred to the new broker. The Tennessee Real Estate Commission consists of how many members? A. 6, B. 10, C. 5, D. 9. D. 9. All of the following apply to signs at a real estate office, except A. Main and branch offices must have signs conspicuously displayed. B. Letters have no minimum height. C. Sign must state that the broker is engaged in real estate. Or D. Affiliate broker must display a sign outside of the office. D. Affiliate broker must display a sign outside of the office. All of the following are true concerning trust accounts, except A. Broker must maintain a separate company account for escrow fund, but not a separate company account for each transaction. B. Affiliate brokers turn over all deposits and earnest money to the brokers within 24 hours. C. Terms for the disbursement of earnest money from trust accounts must be stated in the sales contract. Or D. Broker is responsible at all times for deposits accepted by him or his affiliate broker. B. Affiliate brokers must turn over all deposits and earnest money to brokers within 24 hours. After passing the real estate examination, an applicant has how long to apply for a license? A. 1 year, B. 90 days, C. 6 months, or D. No time limit. C. 6 months. If a court of law revokes a license, how many members of the Real Estate Commission must consent to reactivating it? A. 7, B. 6, C. 4, or D. None. The Commission cannot reactivate a license. B. 6. Of the following situations, which is not required to have a license? A. Soliciting or negotiating a sale, lease, option, or exchange of realty. B. A person selling lots for an owner. C. A person having a written and recorded power of attorney. Or D. A salesperson marketing timeshare interest. C. A person having a written and recorded power of attorney. In establishing a real estate office, all of the following apply, except A. Must be a fixed office with adequate facilities. B. Must meet local zoning laws and ordinances. C. There is no limit to the number of branch offices, but each must be licensed. Or D. An affiliate broker can supervise the management of a branch office. D. An affiliate broker can supervise the management of a branch office. Which of the following is not a power of the Real Estate Commission? A. Revoke or suspend a license. B. Make and change rules and regulations as well as promulgate a code of ethics. C. Petition the courts to take action against illegal, unlicensed individuals. Or D. Sentence a guilty individual to a jail term of not less than 1 year. D. Sentence a guilty individual to a jail term of not less than 1 year. A licensee could have his or her license revoked or suspended for each of the following except A. Using the term realtor but not a member of the National Association of Realtors. B. Maintaining escrow and other real estate records for only 3 years. C. Giving legal advice. Or D. Broker office records withheld from commission investigators. B. Maintaining escrow and other real estate records for only 3 years. A violation of the Tennessee Real Estate Broker Act of 1973 by an unlicensed individual is subject to the following. A. It is a Class B misdemeanor. B. It requires a jail term of 18 months. C. It imposes a fine not to exceed $1,500. Or D. The individual will be ineligible to obtain a license for 5 years from the date of conviction. A. It is a Class B misdemeanor. To change affiliation, a salesperson must pay a fee of A. $40, B. $30, C. $20, or D. $25. D. $25. Requirements for maintenance of the escrow account includes keeping records of all of the following except A. The depositor of the funds, B. The date of the deposit, C. The date of the sales agreement, or D. The date of the withdrawal of the funds. C. The date of the sales agreement. A broker must keep records of a real estate transaction for 3 years from A. The listing date, B. Consummation date, C. Date of sales contract was accepted, or D. Date interest money was deposited. B. Consummation date. The first thing the Real Estate Commission does when a complaint is filed against a licensee is A. Suspend the license, B. Hold a hearing immediately, C. Send a copy of the complaint to the licensee with a letter from the Commission, or D. Investigate the complaint. C. Send a copy of the complaint to the licensee with a letter from the Commission. The Real Estate Commission is declared to be A. Administrative body, B. Judicial body, C. Executive body, or D. Legislative body. B. Judicial body. If a licensee fails to renew his or her license by the expiration date, he or she has how many days to apply for renewal without being subject to re-examination? A. 30 days, B. 180 days, C. 90 days, or D. 60 days? D. 60 days. The Real Estate Commission cannot waive re-examination of a licensee if the licensee applies for renewal of his or her license after what period? A. 1 year after license expiration, B. 18 months after license expiration, C. 6 months after license expiration, or D. 4 years after license expiration? C. 6 months after license expiration. If a licensee wishes to give a gift or prize as an inducement to purchase real estate, approval is required of the A. Seller, B. Broker, C. Sales manager, or D. Seller and firm? B. Broker. That is all of the questions covering the state law section for the Tennessee State Licensing Exam. Be sure and check out our other videos as you continue studying for your real estate license.